so today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple bow. You just need a scissors and some lovely ribbon, whatever colour you need. So I'm just going to cut about 1/2 metre. There you go. Fold it in half, just to get a rough idea where the middle is. Now you want to fold it in half again, creating a loop on the left-hand side. Take the right ribbon and wrap it over your hand and pull forward. Now you want to tuck the right hand ribbon through the piece that you have between your fingers on the left hand side. So in order to keep the shiny bits facing the same way, twist it over and squeeze it through the middle section. And you want to pull the 2 hoops, there'll be one on the left hand side and one on the right hand side. Pull them really quickly together at the same time. It makes the middle tighter. Now just neaten up the 2 hoops, the one on the left and the one on the right, and then the one in the centre. It's a bit of a tricky thing, but if you're a bit gentle, you'll get them all nice and even. There we go. Now lay the tails out. And now we want to make a nice end for the tails. So if you fold it in half, get your scissors and snip at like a really awkward angle here. Snip right down the middle at an angle and you get this really lovely fish tail. Do the same on the left hand side. Now you want them to be the same length, so make sure that you measure with the one that you've already done. Cut at an angle. And then there you have a really pretty, simple bow. Now here's an extra little trick that I've got for you. If you get some Velcro, I've got this roll of Velcro that I like to snip bits off. So cut a little bit off the end. And you just peel away the back and it just sticks on. So turn the bow over. Peel one of the parts of the Velcro off, stick it to the bow. And then the other part of the Velcro, you get to stick it to whatever it is you want to put your bow on. In this instance, I'm putting it on a panettone, which I'm giving as a Christmas present to my boyfriend's mother. So hopefully she doesn't watch this before I give it to her. There you go, perfect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more craft tutorials.